Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this automatic traveller in the Allure specification. So this is an 8-seater vehicle that comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof. There's electric sliding side doors, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior. The front seats are heated and both have massage function. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise controlled speed limiter, speed limit recognition and also blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 180 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox done under 18,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.